guys, it's Pimmy. Today we're going to be reviewing this new beautiful product that I got from Amazon. I'm so excited. I just literally unboxed it and I put it on the table. I wanted to actually set it up with you guys so you can see what the setup process looks like. But my first impression is, guys, this tabletop fountain is so exquisite. It's beautiful. It's so decorative. The fact that it also comes with a light is like even more of a plus because it's already beautiful just like this alone as a sculpture. So let's go ahead and set it up. The instructions are very simple. The packaging was very secure, so I'm really glad that it got to us in one piece because this is a high quality item. So we have A, B, C, and D. So basically A is taking the product. We have this light here, and what we're going to do is we're going to slip it right through, light facing up, slip it right through that, and then this part here is going to connect directly to this. So once you get that in there, should look like this. Should look just like that. It was very simple to actually get in there. Just make sure that it is even in all sides and directions. And then we also have this piece here. So this is a part that you can actually turn the light on and turn it off, and turn the water on and turn it off. So we need to make sure that the pump is completely submerged with water. So I'm going to slowly insert the water. You can lift it a little bit to just check and see how much water you got in there. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay guys, so there is a little slot in the back that you'll be able to see where the cord can actually come up. So it's actually on this side back here. There's like a little slit, and I'll be giving you guys a close-up in just a moment. But right now everything looks really nice. I added the water. Let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna turn my light off so you guys can see what it looks like with just this light. I'm so excited. It looks amazing. Let's get started with plugging it in to see what it looks like. Closing out my review, I honestly love this product so much. Like I said, exquisite, it's beautiful, it's different, it's unique. This could be used, honestly guys, for your home, for your office, as a gift. It can really be used in any room of the house. I honestly love the waterfall. For me, it's something soothing, and I would highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this to add to your home, to give it that beautiful touch. I would highly recommend this product, this seller, this brand. I hope that you guys are able to enjoy this beautiful water fountain as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.